Welcome to 1447 Place, Freeland, Washington, a beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2.25 bath contemporary home where nature, comfort, view, and modern living come together. Surrounded by towering evergreens with peaceful water views, this is a place where every sunset feels like a daily escape. Built just 8 years ago, this thoughtfully designed 3-level home was created to capture abundant natural light, expansive territorial and water views, and the beauty of its surrounding evergreens. Expansive windows fill the home with sunshine, creating a bright, airy atmosphere and a unique connection to the landscape. As the day comes to a close, beautiful sunsets and ever-changing evening skies become part of everyday life. Inside, soaring ceilings, rich hardwood floors, custom walnut cabinetry, premium wool carpeting, and quality finishes create a warm yet sophisticated living environment. The open concept design flows effortlessly, while a private den bedroom offers the perfect space for working from home, creative pursuits, or quiet relaxation. Outdoor living is seamlessly woven into the home with 4 spacious balconies, beautifully landscaped gardens, inviting patios, and a unique hot and cold outdoor shower, perfect after a beach walk, a day in the garden, or exploring everything Whidbey Island has to offer. The spacious media and game room opens directly to the private front yard through a full-width overhead door, creating an incredible indoor-outdoor entertaining space that's equally suited for the lively gatherings, family celebrations, or peaceful evenings at home. Located in the peaceful Mutiny Heights neighborhood, you're just a short stroll from Robinson Beach, one of South Whidbey's hidden gems. Spend mornings along the shoreline. On the weekends, book and relax in the community beach mobile sauna. Watch deer wander through the neighborhood and enjoy bald eagles soaring overhead. A large detached storage building offers plenty of space for kayaks, paddleboards, bicycles, gardening equipment, and all your outdoor gear. The fully fenced yard, automatic sprinkler system, low-maintenance landscaping, and air conditioning provide comfort and convenience throughout every season. Surrounded by nature, awesome water views, and unforgettable sunsets, every day feels like a retreat. Welcome home to Whidbey Island. Just minutes from Langley, the local shopping, restaurants, the beach. This home offers the perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call. This is Beverly Auffray of eXp Realty, the fastest growing real estate company in the world.